Imagine how cool it would be to use automated chatbots on your site to communicate and increase revenue.
Say what?
But when it's supported by AI technology, artificial intelligence, well, there's pretty much nothing that can stop your efforts to boost your sales by hundreds of percents or reduce costs massively. Now, you don't have to manually reply to all the queries popping up on your site or spend money on resourcing. All you have to do is install this tool and then see the real magic. I know it sounds hard to believe, but keep watching to see what's this tool all about. Hello, this is Jakub, and today we will be talking about Odus AI. Odus is an AI-based service that helps marketers with support and sales automation using chatbots. To do so, they use dialogue contextualization technology. Now you can create bots that chat like a real human, but you, as a marketer, are still completely in control to taking over any conversation with live chat and talk to your customers in a one-on-one conversation. From ordering a pepperoni pizza to ordering a Marvel collection figurines, from booking a travel ticket to booking a test drive for your favorite car, everything is possible with the help of Odus AI technology. The only thing you need to do is keep training your bot. But there is another thing. Odus AI is now officially recognized startup in the Microsoft Startup Program, which is pretty cool. Now let's see how you can purchase your Odus AI code and start with your first bot training. Alright, the first thing you need to do is go to PitchGround website, find Odus AI deal and buy the license. After you buy the license, you should receive an email with a special code. And you copy this code and you go to your Odus account, you go to billing and you redeem this code in there. And after there, you should have a lifetime access to Odus AI bot training platform. And if you have any problems during this process, don't hesitate to contact the support. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check our official Facebook group and website for more deals, more announcements and more awesome stuff. All the links are in the description. See you in the next video. So now, without further ado, let's see how you can